Hi, my name is Marcus Padilla, and I'm going to talk to you guys about what I plan on doing for Project 3. So, I plan on doing Project 3 and revising my memoir into different mediums and genres. I chose to revise this project because I wanted to challenge myself by changing something that has been so motivational and uplifting to me since I was a little kid all the way up to my junior year in high school, and turning it into something sad and in form of a movie or movie trailer. So the new genre of my memoir will be lament, meaning sad or heartbreaking. I chose this genre because I could relate myself breaking my ankle to not being able to play football for the rest of my high school career. Here's a little video very similar to how I broke my ankle in my sophomore year during summer workouts. With this new genre, I am hoping to connect with my audience in terms of when they were at a point in life where they had to stop doing what they loved. I also want my genre to make them think of why they made the decisions they did. And in general, I hope that the videos I incorporate don't confuse the audience on which genre I am trying to portray. So some certain things I am nervous about in the process of Project 3 is incorporating the correct videos and audio to successfully portray my intended genre in which it is clear to the audience as well. Here's a little video clip I plan on incorporating and currently working on for the final project. Thank you.